Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I'm coming to you from the Tech Wiz News YouTube channel. On this channel, we review tech-savvy products for you tech-savvy people out there watching. Our goal for this video on likes is 25. If you guys reach that goal, I will do a giveaway in a future video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Series APEX M750 gaming mechanical keyboard. This keyboard is not cheap by any means, and it will run you about a cost of $140 to $150 depending on where you get it from. I was suggesting you get it from Amazon because that is where I get it from, and I will leave the link down below. But this keyboard is worth the money, though, if you're looking for high quality gaming experience and a great quality keyboard. Now I'm going to head into the physical aspect of this keyboard. This keyboard is great feeling. It has a great key press feeling and great LED lighting. There are many different things you can do with this keyboard in terms of lighting, but we will get to that in a minute. The sound of a mechanical keyboard is what you pay for. I love the sound of mechanical keyboards. My personal experience, when I first opened this keyboard, I had never heard nor used a mechanical keyboard like this one. When I pressed my first key on this keyboard, the sound was like magic to my ears. I could not believe how it sounded and how amazing it sounded compared to chiclet keyboards. Now on to the lighting portion of this keyboard. The lighting on this keyboard is just fantastic in my opinion. Very bright, very vibrant, and lots of different colors. There are many different patterns, especially colors, you could choose from. The colors are rainbow, red, green, blue, pink, purple, white, etc. Those are a lot of colors. I will repeat those again to you. Red, green, blue, pink, purple, white, and orange. There are also many different types of patterns you can choose from. I will take a few seconds to show you all the different patterns and colors built into this keyboard. Now, we will get to the software portion of this keyboard. There is a software you can also get when it comes to the lighting portion of this keyboard. The software you would be able to use and download is the SteelSeries engine. I think they're about on version 4.0, but I can't necessarily remember and I don't want to tell you wrong facts. You can get this engine on the SteelSeries website in their downloads category. I will be sure to leave a link down below to this engine so that you guys can download it for free. It does not cost you anything. It is completely free and you can do many things with this engine other than just the colors on the keyboard. This engine will allow you to use the full Prismacolor features of this keyboard and much more. I will have a separate video for you guys on the different types of things you could do with the SteelSeries engine with this keyboard. Oh, I also forgot to mention, this keyboard is made out of aerospace aluminum. That is very good quality aluminum, and I would suggest this keyboard mainly because of its build quality. It is very slanted, very good quality, and very great for the price. It has an outstanding build quality, as I said earlier. That is all for this video, guys. Feel free to browse our blog from the link down below and check out some of our posts on the different technology that there's out there today. I will leave a link to our blog down below so you guys can check that out. Also be sure to subscribe to our email list on that blog if you liked some of our posts. That was all for this video. I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. Peace out.